Hi, this is Alex with Spectrum Networks, and today we're going to take a look at the Spectrum Smart Outlet. Okay, so the outlet was designed to be a mechanical drop-in replacement for the industry standard smart outlet out there, with a couple of thoughtful design improvements that we think you'll appreciate. The first one has to do with plating. So there's actually two decorative design elements here that get plated. There's the bezel that's in my right hand, that's the main bezel, and then there's the decorative door that gets removed and sent off by removing these three screws. The hinge mechanism actually stays behind with the spring in what we call our flange. So that's mounted to the front and stays in place so that only the decorative elements need to be removed to send out the plating. So going to our spec sheet to show how an outlet is defined, there's three major categories that define an outlet. So the first section in green is the outlet core, and that defines whether an outlet is a 1 to 5 amp or a 6 to 10 amp, which actually leads me to my second design improvement in where we took the 1 to 5 amp and 6 to 10 amp outlet cores and built them into the same mechanical provision or enclosure that you see here. So no more external equipment necessary. Next, you're going to define your flange, which basically means, do you want a lid similar to the one you see here that has a hinge mechanism? Or are you looking for something that has no lid, just a simple flange all on its own with a decorative bezel? Okay, so going back to the spec sheet, you can see the outlet flange is defined in orange. So now we're going to define what's in blue, which basically means that you're going to decide whether or not you want local control and indication on the outlet itself, just like you see here. Another option would be to get a decorative bezel that removes all of that control and indication locally, just like this, and would only have control and indication remotely.